forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, well, good evening to you. It's a busy one here in the weather department. We have heavy rainfall, especially farther down to the south. But if you're dry right now, you're not out of the woods just yet because we still have plenty of rain and even some strong to severe storms that are well off to the west working in our direction. So it looks like it's going to be a long evening into the overnight. And unfortunately, we're just going to rinse and repeat over the next few days. Heavy rainfall right now, portions of Montgomery County here just to the south of Mount Sterling. We have steady rain right now from Boonville, Beattyville back towards McKee, down into Clay County as well, even Laurel County, some heavier rainfall. But right now, the area that's of most concern is down here around the Lake Cumberland area. Very heavy rainfall has been impacting the same areas over and over throughout the afternoon and into this evening. Right now, we have a flash flood warning here for northern portions of Wayne County, pretty much paralleling Lake Cumberland. Same story for southern portions of Russell County here. This goes until 9:45 tonight. And unfortunately, it looks like we're just going to continue to see these repeated rounds of heavy rain bands working their way through. And notice even once you get down into Tennessee, a severe thunderstorm warning. So there is still a severe threat overnight tonight, and we'll be tracking that as well. Here's this stationary front that's pretty much right along the Ohio River. It's what's responsible for all this and what's firing up all this activity. Notice all the activity back off into western Kentucky that still has to pivot its way up towards Lexington and points north and eastward. So that's why I say if you're not seeing rain right now, we still have plenty to go later on. Futurecast is not doing a good job right now showing the storms that are to our south and really across much of eastern Kentucky. Notice it's not really picking up on the idea that there's much of anything right now. But as we head into the evening and overnight, it does a pretty good job showing how widespread shower and storm activity will be as this front pretty much just drapes itself across the area. That'll continue overnight into first thing tomorrow morning. Notice showers become a little more scattered in nature, especially tomorrow morning and through about midday, but then by tomorrow afternoon and evening, here we go again. One thing I want to point out, notice this front, it's pretty much just sitting here, and that's what's helping filter these rounds of rain and storms. This will continue again into tomorrow evening. We dry out a little bit, and then in Friday, we're tracking more rain once again Friday afternoon. So we pretty much just rinse and repeat over the next several days. I mentioned the threat for some strong to severe storms. Notice most of our area under that level 2 risk, far southeastern Kentucky, level 1 risk. The main risk tonight will be the threat for some flash flooding and also damaging winds and maybe some hail in there as well. That is the main threats. Right now, 72 Lexington, 75 Jackson. Notice down where they're seeing the repeated rounds of heavy rain, it's in the 60s. Tonight, we're down to the mid-60s here in the city. Showers and storms, again, some of them could be strong to severe. Of course, if we need to cut in tonight, we will here on TV. 77 degrees for a high tomorrow. Rounds of rain and storms likely. Could see a couple strong to severe storms once again. The next big thing works in here on Sunday and into Memorial Day. And guess what? It's more rounds of rain and storms in here once again. 7-day forecast looks like this. Again, showers and storms tomorrow, showers and storms on Friday. We get a little bit of a breather on Saturday with just a few storms possible. Severe potential on Sunday, and then that lingers into Memorial Day. Stay with us. Sports is coming up next.